and making things as simple as possible while maintaining extensibility for advanced users. We'll begin this by looking at how files are dealt with in CnC Cam. We will start by creating a new job. In the bottom left-hand corner, you can see the file path that CnC Cad Cam is currently operating on. We can open a new job, open an existing job, pardon. We can preview items in our favorite folders. We can add or remove favorite folders using the plus or minus button. We'll select this file and open it. I can move things around with my left mouse button. I can rotate things. I can move selected parts. I can select multiple parts and move them by an increment. By holding Shift, I can select multiple parts and then operate on multiple parts, rotate them, mirror them, calculate a scale factor. I can type in a desired width, and then it'll do it for me, or I can type in a scale factor. I can create an array. I can create an array and move an array. I can append a part from another file, from multiple other files. I copy it to my clipboard, and then I can see things displayed in my clipboard. We'll find a part with inside cut somewhere here. The preview system makes things super easy. That's a part with inside cut. And then when I want to append parts from my clipboard, I can click close. And then I can paste from my clipboard. And then the parts are inserted here. Now we can see the graphics that selected parts are yellow, that outside cut is dark blue, inside cut is light blue. Our lead-ins are a square. Inside cut, outside cut is automatically created, so are lead-ins. On the top right, I can see things to modify my view. I can show my offset. However, that's quite mathematically intensive. I can show all the nodes. I'll calculate a scale factor for this and make it a little bit smaller. We can nest everything. We can look at this in the bottom left-hand corner, how it nested the U-shaped part quite nicely. I can close it if I'm not satisfied with my nest, and I can confirm it to save my nest. I can automatically calculate ideal lead-ins. I can check if anything is overlapping really quickly. I can generate ideal toolpaths. I can turn off my labels for outside parts. I can turn off my path for outside parts. And that's it.